Hi friends! Today we'll take you on a little walk through Rattray Marsh Conservation Area. It's located on the shores of Lake Ontario in Mississauga, just a half hour away from Toronto. Jack Darling Park is right next to the marsh. It's a pretty place to hang out for the day, but we suggest visiting on a weekday as it gets very busy here on the weekends. There's a little beach area for the kids to play in the sand, lots of picnic areas with barbecue pits, a couple of playgrounds, and long walkways for strolls by the lake. Where's Toronto? It doesn't take long to enter the marsh area. The landscape is noticeably different than the park right away. Rattray Marsh is the last remaining marshland in the Toronto area. People come here for peaceful walks, bird watching, and photography. If you want to bring your bike or rollerblades or fishing rods, unfortunately, this is not allowed. If we had a good camera, we could have shown you the big blue heron we saw in the distance and the cutest little baby ducks, but you'll just have to take our word for it. All the boardwalks around the marsh have been built so that the natural areas remain undisturbed and so that we can easily enjoy these beautiful natural surroundings. And here we have a fork in the road. Go that way, or we could go that way. I guess we're going that way. Hello. What is that? We managed to walk along every path in the marsh. If you're in the Toronto area, we highly recommend this little day trip. You won't be disappointed.